It's weekend, and one of the things that I do during the weekend is grocery. So now we leave the apartment, and I will show you the supermarket, or better, hypermarket, where I usually do shopping for my grocery during the weekend here in Baku. Bags are ready, let's go. Supermarkets are all over Baku. This is a bit outside the center, as you saw, but it's a very big one. And you can buy here also small appliances, electronics, something for the house. You have typically eggplants and this green pepper are local, and you can see all through the season, together with these herbs that are used as a sort of fresh salad. The choice of fruit and vegetable is a bit less than in Europe, but that's because here you have only seasonal products, not exotic and not out of season. Local meat is good, and normally I take this filet mignon, which is very tender, tasty, and much cheaper than compared with Europe. If you want, there is plenty of chicken. Normally I take chicken breast, this type that should be corn feed, at least that's what I think is written there, not sure. Fish, you have also fish from the Caspian Sea, like this beluga. I didn't try yet. I want, and I will post a video about it next time I buy it. Wine, selection of wine is really big, and I must say the wine produced in Azerbaijan it's really excellent, especially the red one, but the real typical product is pomegranate wine, which is a sort of sweet wine, good, and I will make a video one time. If you like whiskey or bourbon, plenty of choice. The big brand, of course, plus also some interesting bottles. But where is really amazing is the amount of vodka. I didn't even know that so many vodka exist. I will also make one time, I guess, one video about Azerbaijan red dry wine. Butter, plenty of it. Really a lot. Beside the European dietary, you have butter again, by the way, in case you forgot to take. A lot of sour cream and fat cream, I guess it's used in soups and probably other cooking. Mayonnaise, huge amount and choice of mayonnaise, and very big containers. This is typical of Azerbaijan, and I really love this one because they are spicy, fantastic. As Italian, of course, I also look where is pasta, and here it is. Two very good Italian brand, good selection, so nothing to worry about, and also quite a good choices of tomato sauce, Italian tomato sauce for my pasta. So. What is really typical and peculiar, in my opinion, is the amount of sweet chocolate, candies, cookies, snacks, full from everywhere, every brand, every type, every size. I never saw so much sweet stuff in a supermarket. Every supermarket is the same. In case you run out of vodka last minute, well, you can also get it already, the cold one, so nothing to worry about. You will not be left without. So now my shopping is done. Let's go and pay 150 to Mana, so 75 euros.